Welcome to this video. Answer the following question. The following figure is a graph of quadratic function f of x is equal to x squared plus bx plus c in the set of real numbers. Which of the following is the solution set of the inequality f of x is greater than or equal to 0? So what's given? The graph is given, the quadratic equation. The graph is upward. From this graph, look at the x-intercept. -1, 0 is the x-intercept. 3, 0 is the x-intercept. So the solution set of f of x is greater than or equal to 0. So how can find the solution set of this inequality? Look, for x less than -1, the behavior of the graph. For x less than -1, our f of x is greater than or equal to 0. This region. From negative infinity up to -1, the graph is greater than or equal to 0. Again, look, between -1 and 3, the graph is negative. The graph is below. It is negative. So again, from 3 up to positive infinity, this region. From 3 up to positive infinity, again our f of x is greater than or equal to 0. So what's required? The inequality f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for x less than -1. From negative infinity up to -1, and from 3 up to positive infinity, the graph is greater than or equal to 0. So look at C, the option. A, -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Look, the graph between -1 and 3, the graph is less than 0. Between -1 and 3, our f of x is less than or equal to 0 in this region. So A is not true. B, x is less than or equal to -1, or x is greater than or equal to 3. Between x less than -1, this region, x is greater than or equal to 3, this region. Therefore, the answer is B. C is not the answer. D is not the answer. This is the solution. If you like it, share to your friends. Thank you.